Hello friend, today we are learning a English subject from standard 5th, and now unit is grammar and subunit is plural form. This shows the plurals form, means the forms of a noun, verb, etc., which refer to more than one person or things. For example, boy. Boy means this is a one person. Now more than is boys. Coin. Coin is one thing and more than is girl, girls. Doll, dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Mango, mangoes. Next is lady, ladies. Now this is a change in a spelling from ladies. Next leap, leaves. Now last alphabet F is gone and in place of VES. Now leave. Next is thief. Thief. Now next is a homework is write down the plurals of the following word. Anyone guess the plurals of city, baby, fruit? Guess now. Flower, flowers, car, cars, city, cities, baby, babies, fruit, fruit. Thank you.